Hello everyone. This time I'm gonna go over a review on how to find standard deviation. This is again a request by Casey, Miss Smith. Okay? So, example right here, the x value that we have, I'm gonna use this example. For x values, I will have 5 items, 22, 22, 23, 24, and 26. To find the standard deviation, there is a formula that you have to use. And the formula is, I'm going to put it right here. S means standard deviation, or I can say SD. Okay, S or SD, it will mean the same thing. Square root of the numerator, the sum of x minus x bar, meaning this is the mean, squared, divide by n minus 1. N will be the number of items that we have. Here we have 5. Okay, so our n is 5. And then our x is this, so we need to find our mean. So to find the mean, sum of the frequency, sum of x's, divide by how many of them, which is 5, right? Or by n. Okay, so that would be, let's get the sum. So we'll add 22 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 26. So that is 117 divided by 5, because that is our n. So divide by 5. So we have 23.4. Okay, as our, this is our mean. So it's our x bar in the formula. So now, let's get that. Let's have a column in the table, because table will help you organize your work. So let's have a column here, n minus x bar. So that means 22 minus 23.4, 22 minus 23.4, 22 minus 23, no, 23 minus 23.4, 24 minus 23.4, 26 minus 23.4, and I'll be using a calculator for that. So 22 minus 23.4, and I have negative 1.4. Then this is also negative 1.4. 23 minus 23.4, and that is negative 0.4. 24 minus 23.4, and that is 0.6. Then 26 minus 23.4, and that is 2.6. Okay, and then we have to square it. So this column, we're gonna have x minus x bar squared, which is this number right here. All of this is square. Any number, when you square it, will give you positive. So even this is negative, it means negative times negative is positive. So therefore, what you're getting here are positive numbers. So I know negative times negative is positive. So when I type in a calculator, I'm just gonna ignore the negative, because it's gonna disappear in a way, and square it. I will have 1.96. So 1.96, and this is also the same thing, 1.96, and then 0.4 square it, because negative times negative will give me positive. So I will have, no, 0.4. 0.4 squared is 0.16. Then 0.6 squared will give me 0.36, and 2.6 squared will give me 6.76. And then of course I need to get the sum because there is a summation symbol right here. It means all of this you add, and the sum for that is 1.96 plus 1.96 plus 0.16 plus 0.36 plus 6.76. So I have 11.2. So once I got my sum, then I'm ready for my numerator. So standard deviation, or SD, is equal to square root this numerator is 11.2. So 11.2 over n minus 1, where my n is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I will have now, well, my n minus 1 will be 5 minus 1, which is a 4. So now you can now directly get your calculator and say square root of 11.2 divided by 4, and you'll get approximately, this is just an approximate value, approximately 1.67. So that's how you find how to solve standard deviation using the formula, and of course by the help of a table to organize your work. And the answer is an approximate value because of the concept of square root. Thank you guys, hope it will help all of you, and please don't forget to subscribe.